Hi kids, so welcome back again in here in class, in a science class. So today we want to do a little bit experiment from these things. You must to prepare balloon, candle, matches, water, and a plate. And what do for the first step, you must to fill this balloon with this water, not more, not little bit, yeah, so medium. And this activity you can help by your parents at your home. And now I already filled this balloon with the waters, and now you must to turn on this candle, but remember you must do carefully. You can help by your parents at your home, yeah. Okay, here we go. After done, you turn on the light, the candle I mean. So you must to put this balloon, it include the water inside. Please put in here above the candle, and then how will do with this balloon? It can be broke or not. And then you can see this experiment by yourself, and then put in here first like this. Remember you must to put the water same in this same line with the candle, yeah. Yeah, it cannot broke, yeah. So as you know, balloon can be broke with sharp things, and then with this candle, this balloon cannot broke because inside filled with the waters. And then please send by video when you do this experiment, include your argument in your language. Thank you. Happy watching.